My name is Rachel Devine, author of The Third Road and Lessons from the Needle in a Haystack. I've done years of research into the law of attraction that I share with you in this video. How to use the law of attraction is not hard, and I'm going to explain step by step on how you can do that. So let's get started. The law of attraction is a phenomenon that many of us have heard about and are familiar with. It's the idea that like attracts like, and that our thoughts attract what we think about into our lives. It is based on the idea that thoughts, words, feelings, and actions bring about circumstances in life and can be changed by changing what we think. This is where the power of positive thinking comes into play, especially if you want to attract positive situations into your life. The law of attraction is actually broken into 3 laws. Let's explore them, and I will elaborate on what all this means. So these are the 3 laws of attraction. Like attracts like, nature abhors a vacuum, and the present is always perfect. So let's go with the first one. The first law of attraction is like attracts like. The thoughts you think and the words you speak will come back to you. Like being in an echo chamber, if you yell the word love, love comes back. Using positive affirmations is a way to put great energy into the vast universe. The law of attraction is a philosophy suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. Number 2, third law is nature abhors a vacuum. So nature abhors a vacuum. In technical terms, that is based on the laws of thermodynamics. What this means is it is impossible to create a completely empty space because atoms are always bouncing around and immediately fill any empty space. Simply put, if you clear a space in your drawer and it keeps getting filled with other things, it's a good example of what this second law means. If there is a gap, something will fill it. The phrase expresses the idea that unfulfilled spaces go against the laws of nature and physics, and that every space needs to be filled with something. And the third law of attraction is that the present is always perfect. So the present is always perfect, and all manifestations are happening at once. Making an effort to shift into a state of gratitude or appreciation helps you harness the power of this law, which begins with seeing and feeling good in your body, heart, mind, and spirit. The third law of attraction states the present is perfect. The present moment is the only time that exists. If you think about it, this law of attraction is so true. When we're worrying about something in the future or fearing a past event that no longer exists, we're not in the present moment and therefore not enjoying that moment. And this moment is all we really have. Living in the present moment means being grateful for what you have now and being open to new opportunities that may come along down the road. So that concludes the 3 laws of attraction. Now, the law of attraction is the idea that what you think, feel, and focus on attracts more of the same. For example, if you want to attract a partner, you need to be with positive people and think positive thoughts. You have to become what you want to manifest in your life. So if you want to find if you want to attract a loving, generous, kind person, you have to be generous, kind, and loving and put that energy out to the world. If you want to attract more money, focus on ways to make more money and ways to keep it. Also, visualize having money and what you will do with that money. Remember, feelings play a big role in the law of attraction. You want to feel happy and content with your visualizations of attracting money or whatever you want in your life. And you want to visualize what that feels and looks like, having money, and what you'll do with that money and how it will benefit your life. The law of attraction is not just a spiritual or mystical set of principles. It's a frequently demonstrated, highly reliable, and repeatable phenomenon. Because it can be experienced physically, it is also readily quantifiable. The scientific validity and reliability of the law of attraction has been demonstrated by extensive peer-reviewed research over the last several decades, with many thousands of experiments carried out involving all kinds of circumstances, including involving millions of people worldwide. The law of attraction is a powerful tool. It can help you create your life in the ways that you want it to be. How successful is it? That depends on you, your commitment to make it work, and how often you apply the law of attraction. The law of attraction is the belief that our thoughts and feelings influence the direction of our lives. Many people are attracted to this phenomenon and make it part of their daily lives. Are you looking for new love or a healthy life or perhaps a new home, more money? Maybe it's time to manifest what you want in your life with the law of attraction. The law of attraction says that you attract whatever you focus on. This includes positive or negative thoughts resulting in positive or negative experience. For example, if you focus on love and positivity, then over time, your life will be filled with loving people. You'll be surrounded by friendly faces and have the opportunity to have meaningful conversations with the right people. The law of attraction is a universal law, like gravity or the electric charge on a particle. It doesn't care whether or not you believe in it. You can reject it from your mind and deny it with your actions. But you can't hide from it. You can't evade it. And you can't forget about it. It is working in your life whether you are conscious of it or not. It always worked in your life. If you think back on negative experiences, you might correlate your mindset at the time was negative. If you think back on happy, positive times, you might correlate your mindset was happy and positive at the time. Another aspect of the law of attraction is limiting terms. For instance, if you're unemployed, you don't want to have the mindset that you're in a bad financial state. Actually, you want to resonate with the opposite. You want to think with abundant thoughts on prosperity, future job goals, and how your job situation will turn around. You want to step outside of the irrational thinking of lack and into thinking about abundance coming into your life. Remember, too, you have to have a game plan behind your positive thinking. If you want to meet your soulmate, you have to go to places where that is possible. Or if you start a new business, you can incorporate the power of positive thinking along with hard work. Or if you want to make money with an online business, then you have to seek out the best opportunity. The law of attraction is not going to manifest good into your life if you're sitting at home just waiting for it to happen. You have to have an action plan behind the law of attraction visualization. To summarize, you first want to resonate with positive thoughts. You could do that with positive affirmations that are geared to already having what you want. So here's some affirmations. I'm in a loving relationship with someone who loves me. I'm a magnet for money and it flows into my life now. I have the job of my dreams. My business is very healthy. My business is very successful. I am healthy. Anytime you can do a positive affirmation and put that out into the universe, do it as many times as you can. That is helping the law of attraction and what you want come into your life. The next step is to visualize what you want. Just sit and see yourself in a loving relationship or good health, and feel the feelings associated with being in that state. Do this several times a day. If you want your business to flourish, think about a visualization that your business is successful and you're making a lot of money or you're helping people in some capacity. Just visualize it and keep that visualization in your mind as you go about your day. Gratitude is very important. Stay in gratitude. Write a gratitude list daily on things you're already grateful for and for things that you want to be grateful for. Meditate. This is the big one. Before you fall asleep each night, resonate and think about what you want to attract in your life and fall asleep with those thoughts, feelings, and affirmations. You're going to resonate with those thoughts for 8 hours and you want those nighttime thoughts to be positive. So for instance, if I want my business to be successful, when I lay down at night, I'm going to think about how my business is successful, how happy I feel about that, how it's making me feel financially secure, and I'm going to visualize that in very vivid terms. And I'm going to fall asleep to that visualization. If you want to manifest your soulmate or your love in your life, you want to think about that person. You want to create that person in your mind, and you want to be able to visualize that person, feel the person, how that person smells, what the surrounding looks like, how great you feel. And then you go to sleep with those wonderful visualizations. In conclusion, no matter how you slice it, the law of attraction is a phenomenon that is here to stay. It's part of the nature of life. You can use this information to bring positive change and transform your life. It's a way to take control. The thing is, now that you have all this knowledge and awareness on the law of attraction, what will you do with this information? Will you shift your thoughts, feelings, and speech to positive ones, or just ignore this and go on with your life as it is? The choice is always up to you. So I suggest that, you can take some of these suggestions. If you go on my website, I have a whole blog on how to use the power of intention. It's all written out. And my website is rachel-divine.com/SHOP or rachel-divine.com. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any specific questions, I'd love for you to put them in the comments and I will answer every one. I wish you much joy and happiness as you explore the law of attraction in your life.